Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sandy, and today I'll be showing you how to make a frontal wig cap without breaking the bang. So this is what I use. I use the Swiss lace material to create the frontal. So I'm just gonna start by placing it on the cap so that it can be flat as possible. So you want to make sure that this is laid very flat. Afterwards, we're gonna pin that down all the way through. Just follow the procedure, and yeah, so I'm just gonna pin that down and do the same thing to the other side, and afterwards I would sew that to the cap. So using the needle and thread, I'm just gonna sew that all the way through like a curve section. So yeah, I just zoomed that so that you guys can see how I am sewing it. So I'll do the same thing to the other side. So after cutting out the excess, this is how our frontal wig cap look like, but we need to make sure that the two sides are equal, so that is the reason why I'm cutting the excess out. So yeah, this is how it looks like, but we need to stitch that again. But before doing that, I will show you how to stitch. So this is how to stitch if you're going to stitch this, but because I don't want to use this method and I want my frontal cap to look very neat, I'm going to stop sewing that, and then I would use a bias or a tape. I don't know what you guys call it, but I call it a bias, to just put it all the way around, and I will use my sewing machine to sew that. So I'm just going to sew that and then show you guys the final result. So after sewing, I would cut out the excess because it is not needed. So yeah, after cutting out the excess, this is our frontal cap looking all neat and ready to be used. So yeah, this is our frontal cap, guys. Very neat, like very neat. So you might be wondering why the front is not properly flat on the front side. That's because the band that I'm putting over there is not meant to be on the front, obviously. So we're gonna put that to the back, and then you'll see how flat it would lay properly. So yes, this is the magic. This is how it is laid very flat when you put the band to the back. And yeah, this is how to make a frontal wig cap. And yeah, that is all there is to the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share this video. Okay guys, that is all. Bye.